In this video, I'll show you the quickest way to rotate an image in Photoshop. We'll look at both the built-in rotation options and how to rotate an image freely using free transform. So, method 1, rotate the entire image. Go up to Image in the top menu, then hover over Image Rotation. You'll see several options here. First is 180 degrees, which flips the image upside down. This is useful if a photo was imported completely inverted. Next is 90 degrees clockwise, which rotates the image to the right. There's also 90 degrees counterclockwise, which rotates it to the left. And finally, there's arbitrary. This lets you enter a custom rotation angle if you need something more specific than the preset options. These settings affect the entire canvas, making them perfect for quickly fixing photos that were saved with the wrong orientation. Method 2 is to rotate the image freely. If you only need to make a small adjustment, you can rotate the image manually. Press Ctrl T on your keyboard to activate Free Transform. Now select the image and move your mouse just outside one of the corner handles until you see the rotate cursor. Click and drag to rotate the image to the angle you want. When you're happy with the result, press Enter or the tick icon to confirm the transformation. This method is especially useful for straightening crooked photos or making precise adjustments. So that's how you rotate an image in Photoshop. You can use the preset options under image rotation for quick 90 or 180 degree changes, or use free transform when you need full control over the angle. If this quick tutorial helped you out, consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel for more easy Photoshop tips. Thanks for watching.